Good morning to my multi-grade class and grade 4 and grade 5.
Good morning, teacher.
I am your teacher Nicole and I am your teacher in mathematics class. So before we start our class discussion, who wants to lead the prayer? Okay, we try.
So stand up, everybody. So, let's bow down our heads.
I know that everyone is very excited for our class this morning. But before we start, I prepared an activity. So, I will show you some flashcards and you will answer it. Okay, class? Shall we start? Okay, so for this flashcard, this is for grade 4 people. So, who wants to answer? Okay, Tom. What is the answer? 25. So 10 plus 15 is equals to? Thank you. Very good. Another one. For this one, who wants to answer? Okay. Go guys. No. I said for this. 11. So 23 minus 12 is equals to 11. So thank you. So for this flashcard is for the grade 5 pupils. So 8 times 3, okay, Troy. 24. How did you come up with the 24 answer?
Tungkol sa X, ma'am.
Why? What is this?
Times.
Times. It is a
Multiplication.
yes, multiplication.
Repeat the number, right?
Okay, thank you, Troy. So for this one, who wants to answer?
Ma'am.
20 divided by 4, okay. Baron? Can you answer this? 5. Why? Pwede ka ba? Symbol? So what is this symbol?
Division.
Division. This is 8 division divided by 4. 20 divided by 4. So thank you class for participating. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. Woo! Okay. So class, based on our activity in this flashcard, what did you observe?
Numbers, ma'am.
Numbers, very good. So we use the symbols such as in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So I prepared the meaning of addition. So what is addition class? Okay, look. Can you face your classmates?
Addition is a process of adding something to something else.
Thank you, Luke. So let's give Luke a round of applause. So, what a precise answer, Luke. Okay, how about this class? What is the meaning of subtraction? Luke, again. Wow. What a smart.
The process of taking one number or amount away from it.
What did he said, class? Subtraction is the process of taking a number away from another. These are the meanings, class. Addition. Addition means, can you read, class?
Addition is the process.
Addition is the process of
Again. Addition is the
adding something to something else.
So the meaning of subtraction is the, can you read, class?
The
Process of taking one number or amount away from another.
Good. So for grade 5 pupils, what is the meaning of multiplication? Okay, Winfroy.
Multiplication is the process which means repeated addition of numbers.
Very good. Multiplication is what? The process of repeated addition of a number. So another question, class. What is the meaning of division? Again, Winfroy.
What a smart guy! Division is the process of dividing something or separating.
Again, what is the meaning of division, class?
This is the process of dividing or separating.
The process of dividing or separating. So here's another one, class. I have another one question. So I will show show you another flashcard, and I will ask you what did you observe in this flashcard class? Okay, grade 4. Pupils, what did you observe? Okay, for grade 5 pupils. No, I want another answer. Yes, Baron, can you stand up?
The flashcard shows similar function with the same denominator.
What is in class? What did you observe? What based on Baron answers? What did you observe?
They have similarity denominator.
Okay, that's
Similar function.
again. So we can observe class that the numbers or the fractions. These are the fractions. The number or the fraction have the same what? Denominator. So this is the numerator. The that number. This is the numerator, and this sa bottom is this one is for denominator. So these are the similar fractions class. So this time, is there anyone from the class who can recall or who can tell me what was our topic class meeting? Okay, for grade 4, what are the topic class meeting?
Our topic class meeting, teacher, is all about identifying different kinds of fractions.
Very good. What was our topic class meeting? Grade 4, pupils. Identifying different kinds of fractions. What is it? What is it again? Identifying.
Different kinds of
Fraction.
Okay, for grade 4 pupils, what was our topic last meeting? Okay, Clinton.
Proper and improper fraction, teacher.
Proper and improper fraction. Very good. So, thank you class for participating, and let's give ourselves a fireworks clap. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it, class. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, class, I believe that everyone knows what was our topic last meeting. So for this time, I also prepared another activity. So what will you do is, so I gave you this board. I'll give you this, but where are they? Okay, can you raise it? Okay. So what will you do, class, is I will ask questions and you will answer there on your board, and who will raise it first will get the point, okay? Got it, class? Got it?
Got it, ma'am.
You got it, class?
You got it.
You got it? No, the koan got score. Okay, class, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Again, you're going to raise your board after I ask a question, okay? And who will raise it first to get the point, okay? Understood?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, for the first question, this is for the grade 5 pupils. Grade 5 pupils, just sit there and listen, okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, grade 4 pupils, ready? Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
So, first question. It is the process of taking something to another. Class, first question for grade 4 pupils. It is the process of taking something from another. 1, 2,
Ma'am, pwede mo naman.
1, 2, 3. Raise your board.
Praise God.
Okay, look. The first group. Raise the answer first. What is the answer? Subtraction. So first group got 1. First group is 2. They got 1 point. So another question for grade 4 pupils. Fractions. Okay, are you ready? Fractions that have the same denominator. The same denominator. Okay. Second group. What is your answer? Similar fraction. Is correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, Tom, group 2 got the correct. The correct answer is similar fraction. Why? Similar fraction have the same denominator. So, group 2, okay? Oh, for tiebreaker class, I will ask last one question. 3 plus 20. 1, 2, 3. Okay, group 2, raise the answer first. So the answer is 43. So our winner for grade 4 class is the group 2. Thank you, grade 4 class. So let's proceed again to the grade 5. So I prepared questions. The first question. Okay, listen lang ha, grade 4. First question. It is the process which means repeated addition of a number. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is your answer? Raise your answer. So, Clinton raised his answer first. So, Clinton got the 1 point. So, for the second question, it is the process which you divide. Okay. Winfrey raised his answer first. Okay, what is again, guys? The process of dividing.
Division.
Okay. Division. So, Winfrey. Okay. Another question. 53 minus 22. Huh?
What
happened to Baron?
Wait, no, calculator.
Okay, Clinton.
Oh, my.
Lagi sa barang lagi.
Pagbigyan ako, ila sa naroon.
Kalibog kami sa question.
Ay, twin ko na. Ila sa naroon.
Ay! Mali. 1 point. So, Clinton got
God,
the
city.
highest zero. Highest point class. So, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Again, class reminder and prize is later. Based on our activity class. Based on our grade 4, why does grade 2 1? Okay, grade 5, why
Ma'am.
does okay.
Because yes.
Why?
Got the
Why
highest
does-
points.
See? Okay,
Got
highest
the
point.
highest points.
Another observation, why does group 2 1? Because they're smart and attentive. Okay. Okay, class, this morning again, this time we're going to discuss, for the grade 4 pupils, we're going to discuss adding and subtracting similar fractions. So did you know, class, that if you share something, there is a lot of mathematics. You can use mathematics anytime, anywhere. So without wasting our time, let's start our discussion. So for grade 4 pupils, we're going to discuss about adding and subtracting similar fractions. Again,
Adding and subtracting similar fractions.
I have here an example. So first example, Dave is allowed to play online games for 3/5 hours each day, and Ara is also given 1/5 hours to play online games. So what fraction of an hour did Dave and Ara play in a day? So in adding similar fractions, so let's write first the given problem. What fraction of an hour did Dave and, so this is the clue, class, and which means adding. So Ara and play in a day. So for Dave, he has 3/5 hours, and so class, Ara 1/5 hours. So in all, first step is you need to add the numerator. Okay, again, first step, Add the numerator. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So paano siya? So they have the same denominator. So what will you do is to just copy the denominator. So again, class, you cannot simplify this fraction. The answer of Ara and Day and playing games in a day is 4/5 hours. So in total, so 4/5 hours. So in example 2, so the same step, class, who wants to answer this? Grade 4 pupils.
10-6.
Diego, can you answer this?
10-6, no?
Can you write this in here in front? Can you? Okay, thank you, Diego. You can sit down. So, is Diego answer correct, class, or not? Correct. Because you just add the numerator, which is 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. Very good. So 6 plus it has the same denominator. You just copy the denominator. So they also have the simplify. You can simplify this fraction. So what is their LCF? 2. So their LCF is 2. So 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5.
Over 3.
6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So the final answer is 5, 3. If the numerator is greater than denominator, it is improper fraction. It is called improper fraction. Again, class, what did you call if the numerator is bigger than denominator? Very good, improper fraction. But if the numerator is lesser than the denominator, what is it called? Proper fraction. Okay, let's give ourselves a round of applause. Okay, again, let's proceed to subtracting similar fractions. So we're going to proceed to subtracting. Okay, in subtracting similar fractions, class, they have the same step or method, same as in adding similar fractions. So, again, can you read, class, the first problem?
May needs to walk 4 kilometers to school. She had already walked 3 kilometers. So how much further May needs to walk?
So how much further May needs to walk? So May needs to walk 4 kilometers to school. So let's write the given problem. 4 kilometers. 4 kilometers. So this is subtraction. We're going to use the subtraction sign, which is minus. And May had already walked 3/5 kilometers. So she already walked 3/5 kilometers. So what we're going to use is same as we add in similar fractions. First step is we minus the numerator. So 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. And the denominator we're going just to copy. So 1/5. We cannot simplify this because it is the less. So 1/5 is the final answer. So example number 2. Who can answer? Another student. Okay, you. Can you answer this? 5, 10. Very good. Is Luke's answer correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Very good. So 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. So copy the denominator. So 5, 10. We can what? Can we simplify this answer? No? We can simplify this class by finding the least common denominator. What is their least common denominator? 5. We can use 5, class. 5 divided by 5 is equals to 1. 10 divided by 5. 2. So the final answer is 1/2. This is the simplified answer class to 5/10. So I guess or I believe that everyone understood our class discussion. Okay, thank you, grade 4 pupils. So let's proceed to our grade 5 class. So your topic is all about. Can you read, class?
Multiplying and dividing similar fractions.
Multiplying and dividing.
Similar fractions.
Everybody read, class?
Multiply their numerators to find the numerator of the result. And multiply their denominators to find the denominator result.
So in multiplying similar fractions, class, we multiply first their numerators to find the answer of the numerator. And again, next is multiply their denominators to find the denominator result. So the example 1 is 3/4 times 1/4. What is the first step, class?
Multiply the numerator.
The numerator. So 3 times 1 is equals to 3. Then over 4 times 4 is equals to
24.
what? 16. So the answer is 3/16. Can we simplify this, class?
Yes, ma'am. 1/8. 1/4.
No, we cannot simplify this because
Okay,
we don't
plus 3.
have this common denominator. If you use 3, so of course the numerator can be simplified, but the 16 doesn't simplify by 3. So it will stay the same. So the answer is 3/16. So for example 2. Okay, I'll answer this. So first is multiply the numerator, which is 3 times 4 is equals to 12. 6 times 6 is equals to 36. Can we simplify this, class? 12 over 36.
Yes, ma'am.
What is their least common denominator? We can use 6
Yes, ma'am.
or 12 itself.
12.
12 times 3 is equals to 36. So we can simplify this by 12. 12 divided by 12 is equals to 1. 36 divided by 12 is equals to what? 3. So their least common denominator is 12. So 12 divided by 12 is equals to 1. 36 divided by 12 is equals to 3. So the final answer is 1/3. So in example number 3, class, who can answer this in front? Okay, we try. Answer this. So the answer of Win Croy is 15 over 36. So let's solve it. 5 times 3 is equals to 15. 6 times 6 is equals to 36. Can we simplify this, class, or no? No, because we don't have LCM. So that's all for our multiplying similar fractions. So let's proceed to our dividing similar fraction. So class, can you read this?
Turn the division problem into multiplication problem. Use reciprocation method. A over B to B over A, where the numerator and denominator are flipped.
So what does it mean? So it means, class, that we will use the reciprocation method, which means the A over B, we can turn this into B over A, which means you will just flip the fraction. Example 1, 3/5 divided by 1/5. So what we're going to do is copy the 3/5 and we will use the reciprocation method, which means the denominator will be going to be the numerator and then 1 is the denominator. So we're going to make it a multiplication problem. Okay, class? Understood? Okay. So 1/5 will be reciprocate. So it will be going to become a 5/1. 3/5 equals to
15 over
5. 3/5 times 5/1. 5/1. So the answer is,
15.
so we're going to multiply this class. 5 times 3 is equals to 15. Over 5 times 1. 5. So is it? We can simplify this class or not? Yes, we can simplify this by knowing the least common denominator, which is 5. So 15 divided by 5 is equals to 3. Over 5 divided is equals to 1. As I said earlier, if the numerator is bigger than the denominator, what is it called?
Improper function.
Very good. So it is improper fraction. Example 2, I want Clinton to answer this. Clinton is
Correct.
32 over 16. So let's check it. So 4 over 8 divided by 2, 8. So we use the reciprocation method. So just copy the first fraction, which is the 4 over 8. Then the division problem is we're going to multiply it. So the divided sign is the times. We can turn it into times sign. So 4 over 8 times, which is 2/8, reciprocate 8 over 2. So 4 over 8 times 8 over 2. So the answer is we are going to multiply the numerators. 4 times 8 is equals to 32. Then 8 times 2 is equals to 16. So the answer is 32 over 16. Can we simplify this class? Can we simplify this?
This one.
Okay. So 32 over 16, by using the LCF, we can simplify this by finding the LCF, which is the 16. So 16 and 32 divided by 16 is equals to 2. And 16 divided by 16 is equals to 1. So the answer is 2 over 1. So class, that is our class discussions today. This is our topic for this day. Adding and subtracting similar fractions for grade 4 class. And multiplying and dividing similar fractions for grade 5 class. So now, is there any questions left? Is there any questions? No. Again, what is similar fraction?
The same denominator.
Again, similar fraction means fractions that have the same denominator. Okay, very good. So, for grade 4 class, fractions can be added or subtracted if they have the same denominator. Okay, for grade 5 class, what are you going to do in multiplying similar fraction? What are the steps? Okay,
So,
right?
first find the numerator and then the denominator. Right?
So, very good. First step is to multiply the numerators, then multiply again, then multiply the denominator. In dividing similar fractions, what are we going to do?
Turn division problem into multiplication problem.
Use reciprocation method to A over B to B over A. So, where the numerator and denominator are fixed.
Okay, very good. So for this time, we are done in our discussion class. Let's proceed to our next activity. So, we have last activity na lang class. So what we're going to do is I have prepared a maze activity. So this first maze is for the grade 4 class. So this maze is also for the grade 5 class. You can answer it in 5 minutes. So class, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Here are the papers. Can you pass it in front? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for participating in our activities. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. To know if you understood completely in our discussion, this is your quiz in grade 4 class, and in grade 5 this is your quiz. Get your paper. What's your paper?
Malagyan mo sila ako.
So class, for your assignment, copy your assignment. So this is your assignment in grade 4 class. Study in advance about adding and subtracting mixed fractions. So in grade 5 class, study in advance multiplying and dividing mixed fractions. Okay class, that's all for our class discussion today. Thank you and God bless. You can now take your recess. Bye!
Bye.